Hi, today today we are going to discuss a topic. That topic is related to your social issue. That is recently that is the Global Slavery Index released. So, what is the Global Slavery Index? And what is the slavery and what is the ranking of India? So we will see in this video, and this topic is very important uh, for your examination, especially in the civil services examination. So see what about the report. See, report is the globally slavery index. In this video we will see that is each and every keyword that mentioned in this news. Why it is in the news? Because the globally slavery index released. The gist of the report, according to the report, that is the 50 million peoples we are living in the modern slavery. So here, what is the modern slavery? And out of 50 million, see here, 28 million suffer from the forced labor, जबरदस्ती काम कराया जाता है, एंड 22 मिलियन सफ़र फ्रॉम द फोर्स्ड मैरिज, इनको ज़बरदस्ती शादी भी कराया जाता है. एंड आउट ऑफ दिस 50 मिलियन, दैट इज़ फोर्स मैरिज एंड ऑल्सो द फोर्स लेबर, दैट इज़ 20 मिलियंस आर चिल्ड्रेन. बहुत बहुत गंभीर स्थिति है. So see, what is the modern slavery? See, modern slavery is nothing, it is the situation of the exploitation. And this situation of the exploitation, a person cannot refuse on leave. ना ही वह इनकार कर सकता है, ना ही छोड़ सकता. Why? Because threat, एक धमकी, violence, हिंसा, coercion, अत्याचार, deception and also abuses of the power. So modern slavery एक umbrella term है. इस umbrella, under this umbrella term, here 7 term mention. Force labor, जबरदस्ती काम कराना, फोर्स मैरिज, ज़बरदस्ती शादी कराना, डेट बॉन्डेज, कर्ज देने के बाद काम कराना, सेक्सुअल एक्सप्लॉइटेशन, ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग, कबूतरबाजी आदमी का, दैट इज़ द स्लेवरी लाइक प्रैक्टिसेस, फोर्स सर्वाइल मैरिज, सेल एंड एक्सप्लॉइट, ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग, बहुत सारे ह्यूमन को ट्रैफिक किया जाता है, यहाँ से वहाँ ले जाया जाता है. For the so many things as like forced labor, as like forced marriage and all these things. So these are the modern slavery. Why modern? Because in the पहले इतिहास में, if many of you aware regarding the history that mention in the slavery, that time slavery is the different type, दासत्व, दास बनना. But right now राजा प्रजा वाला नहीं है, but this slavery also exists, but this is called modern slavery. Clear? So in the modern slavery, this is the umbrella term under the 7 terms here. Clear? So this modern slavery in the pictorial form, see here, forced labor means sexual exploitation, domestic servitude, worst form of child labor, human trafficking, domestic traffic भी होते हैं, international trafficking of labor for sexual exploitation, trafficking of slavery and slavery like practices, forced marriage, debt bondage, child marriage and also all these things. Clear? So according to the sustainable development role, because in the civil service examination, especially in the UPSC, gathering information is not necessary. Associations of this information is right now necessary for this UPSC. Clear? And all civil service examination I can say. So in the sustainable development goal, what about sustainable development goals said about the end of modern slavery? What is the stated by the SDG regarding the end of the modern slavery? See, in the target 8.7 of the SDG, that clearly stated that तुरंत or effective measure to eradicate forced labor, end modern slavery, human trafficking, child labor by 2025 to end the child labor in all its form. Clear? According to the SDG. See here, what is the global slavery index? ये क्या है? देखिए, this is the global picture of the modern slavery. This is the itself stated global slavery index, means global picture of the modern slavery. So slavery कहीं भी mention हो, that means here modern slavery. So this report constructed by WACFRI. WACFRI एक human rights organization है based on the international UK I think, and this WACFRI को data provide कराया global estimate of modern slavery. and turn this produce किया, that is data international level organization, also WAC free, and also international organization of migration. All are involved in the preparation of this global slavery index. And you know, this is the 5th editions of this global slavery index, and the data based on the 22 estimates. So here, see here in the what about the report gist, worst offender of this global slavery. North Korea number 1, Eritrea, and last Kuwait here. Last here what? Kuwait. Clear. लोएस्ट प्रिवेलेंस स्विट्जरलैंड सबसे नंबर 1 लोएस्ट, एंड इंडिया में मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ मॉडर्न स्लेवरी. सो हियर इंडिया, maximum number of modern slavery in India right now. Again China, again North Korea, again Pakistan, again Russia, again Indonesia, Nigeria, Turkey, Bangladesh, United Nations. Clear. So these are the report, and also gist of this report right now we have discussed. Clear. So thank you and have a good day. Thank you very much.